हेलो एवरीवन। ऑल अबाउट बैंकिंग के यूट्यूब चैनल पे आपका स्वागत है। आज हम स्टैटिक बैंकिंग के इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ आपके साथ डिस्कस करेंगे। मुझे उम्मीद है ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आएगा। चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। द लिबरलाइजेशन ऑफ इंडियन बैंकिंग एंड रेगुलेशन वॉज डन बेस्ड ऑन द रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ डैश। ऑप्शंस आर गांधी कमेटी, नरसिंहम कमेटी, बेसल कमेटी, खुसरो कमेटी। सो आंसर इज नरसिंहम कमेटी. Narsiham Committee was established under the former RBI Governor M. Narsiham in August 1991 to look into all aspects of the financial system in India. Next question is, in April 1980, dash banks were nationalized in India. Options are 3, 5, 6 and 7. Answer is 6. In 1980, to provide government more power and command over the credit delivery, 6 commercial banks in India were nationalized. This is the second term of the nationalization. 1918, and how many banks were nationalized? 6 banks were nationalized in second term of nationalization. In how many banks were nationalized in India in the 1969? Options are 12, 29, 14, 6. Answer is 14. The Government of India issue an ordinance, Banking Companies Ordinance 1969, and nationalized the 14 largest commercial banks with effect from the midnight of 19 July 1969. This is the first term of nationalization. First term of nationalization happens in 1969, and that time 14 banks were nationalized, and second term is in 1980. That time 6 banks were nationalized. What was the State Bank of India called before it was created through SBI Act? Options are Bank of Hindustan, Bank of Madras, Imperial Bank of India, Imperial Bank of Calcutta. So answer is Imperial Bank of India. The Imperial Bank of India was named as State Bank of India, followed by formation of 7 associate banks in 1959. Recognizing the fact that banking plays a crucial role in the economic development of the country, the government of India nationalized 14 major commercial banks in 1969. अभी हमने देखा कि 1969 में 14 बैंक्स नेशनलाइजेशन किया गया. वो फर्स्ट टर्म थी बैंकिंग नेशनलाइजेशन की, एंड सेकेंड टर्म हुई 1980 में, तब 6 बैंक्स नेशनलाइजेशन किया गया. Which of the following was the first Indian bank to open a branch on foreign soil? Options are Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Bank of Allahabad. Answer is Bank of India. Bank of India is the first Indian bank to open branch outside India at London in 1946. Bank of India is the commercial bank with headquarters in Mumbai. It is in Maharashtra. Bank of India, static part of Bank of India is 7th foundation year of Bank of India is 7th September 1906, and headquarters is in Mumbai. Current head Atanu Kumar Das. He is MD and CEO of Bank of India. Imperial Bank of India was nationalized in which year? Imperial Bank of India nationalized in, options are 1945, 1955, 1949, 1965. So answer is 1955. The Imperial Bank of India was nationalized in 1955. The largest and the oldest still in existence is State Bank of India. Question इस पे भी बन सकता है कि largest and oldest still in existence bank कौन सी है? So it is SBI. In which year was the Banking Regulation Act passed in India? Options are 1947, 1935, 1949, 1965. So answer is 1949. The Banking Regulation Act 1949 is a legislation in India that regulates all banking firms in India. On which date was the Reserve Bank of India established? Options are 1st of April 1935, 12th of July 1982, 1st of January 1949, 15th August 1947. So answer is 1st of April 1935. On April 1st, 1935, the Reserve Bank of India, which is the central bank of this country, was established. Original headquarters of RBI were located at Which of the following place? Calcutta, Bombay, Delhi, Chennai. So answer is Calcutta. Original headquarter of RBI were in Kolkata. In 1937, it was shifted to Mumbai. Following India's independence on 15th August 1947, the RBI was nationalized on 1st of January 1949. देखो यहाँ पे याद कैसे रखेंगे, 1935 को आरबीआई इस्टेब्लिश हुआ, उसके 2 साल बाद क्या हुआ, उसका हेडक्वार्टर जो है वो कलकत्ता से मुंबई शिफ्ट किया गया. जब जब इंडिया इंडिपेंडेंट हुआ 1947 में, उसके 2 साल बाद आरबीआई का क्या किया गया, नेशनलाइजेशन इन 1949 में. RBI has 4 zonal offices. First is in Chennai, Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai. RBI, Reserve Bank of India, founded in 1st of April 1935. Headquarters is in Mumbai and current governor is Shaktikanta Das. Which of the following is the oldest joint stock bank of India which is still working? Options are Allahabad Bank, Bank of Upper India, Patiala Bank, State Bank of India. So answer is Allahabad Bank. India's oldest joint stock bank which is still working is Allahabad Bank. It is also known as India's oldest public sector banks. Static part about Allahabad Bank: it is founded in 14th April 1865 and headquarters is in Kolkata, Mumbai. And recently Indian Bank merged with Allahabad Bank. Thank you guys.